There are uncountably many numbers. Everyone is beautiful with his own characteristics. However, if you search for the most beautiful ones, you will get pi. Besides, phi square root of 2 will be in the list as well. So, what is pi? What makes pi the most beautiful so far? Simply, pi is the 16 Greek letter representing the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. Measuring the diameter is easy but is tricky in case of the circumference. It won't matter how big or tiny the circle is because every circle is similar. Now you may think, it's okay, I understand, just a ratio. What's so special about it? The ratio is not rational. It starts with 3.141592 and is transcendental. In 2019, Emma Haruka, a Japanese computer scientist, calculated 31.4 trillion digits of pi, which took her 120 days. Surprisingly, Timothy Mullican broke this record to 50 trillion in 2020 after 8 months of calculation time. And the interesting part is mathematicians haven't found any repeating patterns to assume the next digits. Pi has many other interesting properties. It can be expressed as continued fractions and infinite series in many ways. Pi has many applications. It is found in many formulae in geometry and trigonometry, especially those concerning circles, ellipses, and spheres. In more modern mathematical analysis, the number is instead defined using the spectral properties of the real number system as an eigenvalue or a prior, without any reference to geometry. It appears therefore in areas of mathematics and sciences having little to do with geometry of circles, such as number theory and statistics, as well as in almost all areas of physics. The ubiquity of pi makes it one of the most widely known mathematical constants, both inside and outside the scientific community. Pi is also involved in Euler's identity, named after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler. It is considered to be an exemplar of mathematical beauty. It shows a profound connection between the most fundamental numbers in mathematics. E to the pi I plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, E is the Euler number, another beautiful number next to pi, the base of natural law. E is also transcendental and irrational, starts with 2.718. It also has some outstanding properties, can be expressed as continued fractions and infinite series. I is the imaginary unit of complex number. By definition, it is the square root of -1, which doesn't make any sense in reality, but it gives real output after different mathematical operations, such as squaring I, or Euler's identity is a great example. Finally, the number 1 and 0 is a multiplicative and additive identity. This equation connects four interesting numbers through addition, multiplication, and exponentiation and becomes 0, which makes Euler's identity the most beautiful equation. Stanford University mathematics professor Kate Devlin has said, like a Shakespearean sonnet that captures the very essence of love, or a painting that brings out the beauty of the human form that is far more just skin deep, Euler's equation reaches down into the very depths of existence. There is even a joke about Euler's identity. Pi says, get real. I says, be rational. E says, join me and be -1. Pi begins with 3.14 and it's the same as March 14 in American calendar. So March 14 is celebrated as Pi Day all over the world. It is one of the most beautiful days to math enthusiasts.